Alright, welcome to moving vlog number 2. Starting out this intro after the rest of the video, so I'm in my new place right now. So if you're excited for moving vlogs and you want them to continue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. My arm's getting sore. This is a bonus vlog going up this week, so there's a Foundation Friday still coming tomorrow, 6 p.m. Pacific time, and it's gonna be the ColourPop one. I also wanted to let you guys know, because I haven't mentioned it on YouTube yet, I've been posting on Twitter and Facebook, but I'm doing this really cool event for Seattle Humane, where if we raise $5,000 by July 22nd, I'm going to rappel down a 40-story building in downtown Seattle. And any of you guys who live in Seattle are welcome to come. I would love to hang out with you guys and meet you, and hopefully I don't shit my pants rappelling down a building. We're up to $490 right now. Shout out to everyone who's been donating over here. You can donate $5, you can donate whatever you want, anything helps. We're shooting for 5K. Seattle Humane is where I fostered Snoopy through, and I'm going to continue fostering through, so they're a great organization. I'll leave a link down below right at the top of the description box where you guys can donate, but I am going to be vlogging the whole thing on YouTube too. So I'm going to get a GoPro. It would be a cool video, so hopefully we can raise 5K. Okay, this is reality right now. I'm getting ready to film for the morning. I had to like rig this setup here because I need to film this video. It's the one with ThreadUp. You guys, yeah, you've already seen it I think by the time this goes up. This is what we're working with. So I can film first thing in the morning and then finish packing and get my shit together. Slightly stressed right now. Need to edit this video too tomorrow. It's the next morning. I'm filming this video and it is a struggle and a half. The makeup part went fine, but now this outfit part, this is where I'm trying to get this. I have my camera set up here, all the boxes here, and I'm trying to use just this one empty corner of space to shoot the outfit shots. I first tried doing it in the mirror out there and it looked horrible because there was just piles of trash bags and boxes. Behind the scenes, glorious. It is 6:30 a.m. moving day. Did it. Today's gonna be good. I'm excited. The movers are gonna be here in about an hour. I need to run and go get gas first and then take a couple more trips. Just take this stuff down to my car. I had a lot of random stuff that I just like could not fit anywhere else, so I'm just basically carrying it. But I have so much stuff. I need to pack that in my car. And we have some like random boxes and things that way. Need to undo the Comcast stuff. Boxes, and the closet is empty. Here's what this room looks like without shit in it, if you ever wanted to know. Movers are done. It took 4 hours total, which is kind of what I was picturing. They were amazing. If you're in Seattle, I paid for everything, but you Relax Moving. I've used, what, 4 different movers now? 3 different movers. You Relax Moving was amazing. Definitely would recommend them. Super nice guys. They took all of the stuff that I was just gonna bring over and make another trip in my car because it was all loose. They took all that stuff. They helped me unload my car. They were super nice. So everything is obviously a hot mess right now. Let me show you guys. Boxes everywhere. I started undoing the closet situation. There's not a whole lot of hanging ones. I did get a whole IKEA unit that I'm gonna put against one of these walls. This is bigger than I remembered, so that's good, but just folding everything. My goal is to get all of these bags, which are all clothes and stuff, unpacked today. Address on those boxes, but here's the living room situation right now. I got nitro. I usually get it with sweet cream. They actually just forgot it this time, but it's still good. And then this pumpkin loaf thing that I've been munching on. It's 12 o'clock now. So I want to try and power through that closet. Someone actually coming over from TaskRabbit to help me assemble the bed frame. And then I have plans later tonight. Need to shower, need to shave my legs because that hasn't happened in a while. It's weird that I'm gonna be sleeping here tonight. Like I said, I still have a couple trips I need to take back. I need to empty out my fridge in the old place, bring food over. Today is Saturday, June 16th. My parents come on Tuesday morning. So I have Sunday, Monday, wait, what? Saturday, Sunday, Monday? Yeah, 3 days, yeah. Here we go, moving. I look like shitsies. It's the end of the day. What time is it now? It's 8:30 p.m. My body is donezo. I'm donezo. I actually got a lot done. So what ended up happening was my friend came over and totally helped me put together like multiple things of furniture, which was amazing. We got my bed set up so I can sleep tonight, which is always good to be able to sleep. Probably doesn't look like it at all, but I actually made major progress on the kitchen stuff. Got the Keurig set up for tomorrow, priorities, you know. All right, so here's my new vision, and I like this 50 times better than having the couch on this wall. So I don't know if you guys will be able to tell on camera, but this makes it look so much more open having the white couch against that wall, and I actually love it against the black. I don't know if I'm gonna move that mirror. I kind of like it against the black too. I'm gonna get a cool like wood art thing to put above there. But what I'm gonna do is coffee table rug, and then on here I'm actually gonna do the fireplace mantle thing and then put the mount with the TV, and the mount turns out so you'll be able to see it from there, and then it's just way more open right here. I have this IKEA rack thing that was in the background of my videos usually. I'm gonna probably keep this here. I kind of like it against this wall. I need to put the shelves on it, and then I can actually fit, I'm not gonna show you guys over here, but I can actually fit chairs right here, which will be perfect. So I'm gonna get 2 cool like tan chairs, not tan. When I said tan chairs in the last video after I said I didn't like tan, I don't mean like tan. What I want is like camel leather. So like a really rich camel leather kind of color, like a cognac, I don't know how to say it, which will be perfect because then those will directly face the TV and stuff. My mom is like a pro at kitchen organizing, so I'm gonna leave this to her when they come. This is upside down, but this is a bathroom over the toilet storage organizer thing that I might attempt to put together tomorrow. In the bathroom, this I literally just took out of boxes and plopped here. None of this is organized. I'm going to have my dad add a shelf right here because they're really deep and they're really long, but I could get double the storage. So I'm gonna add 2 more shelves right here and organize all this. This is just literally so I could get rid of the cardboard boxes. I'll show you guys the bed. I don't know why it's looking blue on camera right now, but everything is white. But this I actually got off of Hot Look. I love Hot Look. It's Nordstrom Rack splash sale site. I shop there 24/7. I literally check it every day. I'm addicted. I'll leave a link for Hot Look down below. I liked my other duvet. It was just plain white, but it had a couple stains on it, so I just figured I would get a new one for this place. And then I only have one of my usual pillows. I usually have 50,000 pillows because these 2 are pretty big back here, so they took up a lot of room, but I wanted higher ones to make it look kind of like more headboardy a little bit. The bed frame I have under here is actually a platform bed, so there's tons of storage under here, which is perfect. I just need to get like boxes for underneath there. And this bed, let me show it to you. I'm pretty sure I got this off of Wayfair. I'll link it down below. All right, there's like tags all over this, but the Zenus 14-inch quick lock smart platform bed. This thing was the best furniture assembly I've ever experienced in my life. Whoever wrote those assembly instructions deserves an award. It was literally the most simple thing to follow. Everything clicked into place. It has like tape so that your mattress doesn't slide around. It was literally the most like satisfying furniture assembly experience I've ever had. In my first moving vlog where I talked about painting the top of this black, a lot of you said I should stain it black. Great idea. Think I'm gonna do that. Probably not gonna do it right away just because I have 50,000 other projects right now. I would have to re-sand it and stain it. I love painting because I use the Zinsser 3-in-1 primer, I think it's called, and you don't have to sand wood. You just paint it on to prime, and the things that I've used with that, I have my old video on that, are still totally intact. Some of them are actually in Rachel's place that we've had since college, like literally for 6 years now, and the paint is still totally on and I didn't sand those. So that's the cool thing about painting, is that you don't have to sand. If I were to stain this, I would sand it. Okay, parents are here, yeah.
I want you to slide this out with me.
Okay.
Okay, hold it there.
You'd rather do that than just get the cord channel?
Yep.
Waste an extension cord?
No, it just will look nicer. And we can, if we get the cord channel, we can do that, but that one won't reach, I don't think, anyway. So.
That's awesome. Cool. We have heat. Not that we need it right now.
That's neat.
So the parents are here.
Wow.
We're getting started unpacking, putting things together.
Ooh, it puts out heat.
Yeah, that's what the review said.
No, it's hot.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was just a look. Oh, now you can do without heat, though. I think you do this. Yeah. And you have the look
Oh,
with
just
no
the fire.
heat.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Wow. And
That looks great.
Done it again.
I might as well take this home with me.
Yeah, I'm not going to use the frother. No, I'm not. Yeah. Take the frother. Good morning, everyone. It's 7 a.m. The next day, I just made myself some coffee. This is much. Hey, Mom. Okay, well, I'm gonna eat some cereal here, and I told Dad to just text me after he's done eating, and then I'll pick him up. I didn't vlog a couple days because I really didn't do a whole lot of moving progress. I just was working, so I didn't get anything done, so I wasn't really vlogging then. But my parents came yesterday morning, so it's now, what day is it? It's June 20th now, Wednesday. We made major progress yesterday, so I'm feeling good. We still have a ton to do. They're only here for 3 days total, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be using like every minute of those 3 days. I'll show you some progress. So we're gonna mount the TV above here today. The living room is still kind of a shit show otherwise, but the kitchen is pretty much totally done. My mom organized the entire kitchen, which feels amazing. It's got the retro little microwave in there. It looks really cute. So all of these things were in like 20 trash bags. I still have these 2 bags to go through. Got all the shoes in there. My mom like undid this and actually put it through the thing to have more space. There's one shelf like that right here, and my dad moved it up so I have more hanging room up there, and then I just put more shoes on the top. I'm not used to having folded clothes, so we'll see how long this stays neat. Probably like a day is my guess. All of my clothes before were hung. All of my YouTube stuff, this is all makeup and stuff, that can't be put away until I get the IKEA packs thing put together, which isn't going to be delivered until Friday. We're in Home Depot. My dad forgot his shopping list that he needed, so we're trying to remember everything. Their saw is broken here. We're gonna make some like wood shelves to add bathroom storage, but their saw is completely broken. I'm looking at shower heads. I don't think any of these are big enough to fit on that thing, but my water heater is really small, so the shower head, this hot water went out last night in like 18 minutes. That was fast. Oh my God.
Dying of curiosity on that. Did you see something?
No, they're all small.
What's this?
The guy who forgot the shopping list. So we just went to the lumber store to get wood for 2 more of these shelves right here. So I'm gonna put one right here and right there. I have my painting station out here. So I'm gonna sand just the edges of these and then paint it just white.
So, I'm gonna drill 2 little holes to begin with.
Wait, I'm a righty. Can I do it on this side?
Uh-huh. Good, now do the other piece. And then we're gonna countersink, and I'm gonna show you a cool thing we're gonna do. There's a special drill that countersinks, but I'm making one.
One more?
Yeah, one more.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. Yeah.
Cool hat.
Okay, go drill them and countersink them. You're on. Their shelf's gonna be just like this. This is how it's gonna be.
Right.
Is that good? That's what you wanted, right?
Perfect. Is it going into a stud?
No. Yeah, there's a stud back here, Taste. That's what, wait till you hear this. Watch it skip. You hear that? Done.
No, sweet.
Yeah.
All right, now we have an extra level. Bottles fit on both. I'm gonna put the super tall bottles up on the top, like the really tall hairsprays.
Okay, you do
so
that,
now we're
then
gonna
come
do
in when you're
another-
ready for me to do that. You'll
yeah, I'm just telling you that.
rearrange the tall one. Oh, I'm sorry. You're telling me.